Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before going into the video, we request all of our viewers to subscribe our channel and also comment in the comment box. This time, our topic of exploration is on soul. The question now is, do we have a soul at all? Why we are asking this question? All the traditions and the civilizations have taught us that we are having a soul within us. Why do we ask this question? Because we feel that we are going to die at a given time. So we need something permanent in our life. We are very much afraid of death. That's why this question has arisen. It is one of the very important questions. Even though it is important, it is almost irrelevant to our life. Now, we will explore this question scientifically. We may not have a soul at all. Only we have to search inside. No need to accept or reject. If we search inwardly, we may find a soul. We may find a timeless dimension of life that is entirely depending upon ourselves. We have to find the truth in ourselves. But we exist as energy forms. We know very well that energy never dies. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. We are energy forms. In the previous video, we have told that we are part and parcel of that 5 elements. In our body and mind, and also in the existence, we have that recycling nature of that 5 elements. So we are all energy forms. Not only an individual, but all the beings and non-beings of the existence have been created through those 5 elements. As energy has vitality, a seeker is not necessarily to be afraid of the phenomenal world. So by having and developing a meditative mind, he is ready to face the life. We must know how to face ourselves. If we are in a position to face ourselves, we can go on this path very easily. We can find the timeless dimension of life by ourselves. In this search for truth, nobody can help us. We also wish to tell our viewers that whatever ideas being discussed here, they may not agree also. It is at their discretion to accept or reject. We want that the seeker must be scientific. Then only it will bring goodness. Now instead of concentrating our point on the soul, we will concentrate our idea on ourselves only. We are existing here. That is a fact. So, we existed in the past, in the present, and also in the future. Hence, no need to be agitated. For this, our spiritual wisdom will help us. A spiritual seeker is always interested to find whether life has a timeless dimension or not. This can be found in ourselves only. As we have told earlier, for this, a meditative mind is needed. A meditative mind is not static. It does not have any conclusions. It examines and verifies the facts of life. It is mainly concerned with what is what is most important. If we are able to understand what is, then we will be able to find the timeless dimension of life. That is known as the ultimate adventure of life. So, if a seeker is ever interested, he will find the way. So, our channel is ever ready to give such kind of wisdom to any kind of seekers. They are quite welcome. Life is mysterious, miraculous, divine, sacred, and etc. So our concern is about only life. Life is the greatest gift of the nature. So we are to explore it and find the fruits of life. Once again, we will come up with another one video about the another aspect of life in the forthcoming video.